How to change password on Zangi. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply change your password. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on it. Now here on the top, you can see a profile icon. Tap on it again. Here on the right top, you can see this edit button. Tap on this edit button. So here, you'll be able to see the option called change password. Tap on change password. So you can enter any password that you like. So let's enter some passwords. Now after you enter the password, here on the bottom you can see this continue button. Simply tap on this continue. So it will take some time, and if you tap on this right bottom tick, it will be done. So the password has been changed. Now in order to log in, you must enter the same password that you have kept. So this is the easiest and quick way to change password in Zangi. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.